innocent. Your best friend so happy for you. She said she never thought I'd change, but now I do. It was only a dream, I swear it now, while the fiddle cried so low. The sky leaned down, the waves somehow turned fields to oceans below. The breeze stood still, the sails hung soft, the sea like firelight gleamed, and roses reached from garden walls to bless the ones who dreamed. We drifted past a hidden shore where moonlight touched the tide, and shadows danced on golden sand where fairy songs would hide. The stars wore crowns of silver threads, the sun wore robes of flame, and time stood still while silence sang the tune without a name. Your glass to the music played, to the dream we left behind, where the waves still hum, the roses bloom, and the crew was young and kind. It was only a dream, but it felt so real, like a tale the sea might weave, with sirens near and the wind so clear. We never wanted to leave.